let's talk about what happens when Venus is in the sign of Aquarius. Now, as we all know, Venus is ruled by Saturn and co-ruled by Rahu North Node. So these people are very unorthodox, very unconventional, and very experimental in nature. So they have a very futuristic, progressive approach, attitude towards life. Now, see, this is the original 11th house sign, Aquarius. So their life direction, their life purpose, that is very meaningful, very significant, very important for them. So it is truly important for them to share ideals with their partner, and then they will be able to actually truly commit to that partnership. Because see, there is an activist in these people, and they just not like to being an air sign. They do like to connect with people and network with people and share and exchange ideas, and go about doing their activism about whatever is it that they believe in, and that is how they want to move forward in their life. So if they don't have the right partner, they are not able to truly commit to that partnership. But if they truly get this, then they can actually be very devoted, loyal partner in relationships. And the other shadow side they often feel is, see, these people are very individualistic, so they have to balance that with their relationship, and they sometimes find it challenging to truly be intimate with their partner, and not just in terms of physical intimacy, but here I'm talking about emotional intimacy, wherein they're able to truly just open up and be themselves, even when it comes to emotions, because this is a sign that is also ruled by Saturn. So there is some kind of a distance that they keep. They often keep people at an arm's length, even when they are able to accept people from different diverse cultures and backgrounds, because they are actually humanitarians, and they accept people from all sort of all kinds of people. But these are the shadow sides of their relationship. If they are able to balance that out, and they often idealize perfectionism in relationship. So when they are able to form a relationship on the basis of friendship, that is when their relationship actually thrives, because then they are able to accept the differences and then truly grow with their partner. So then that relationship truly sustains and thrives for them. So other than that, people with Venus in Aquarius are one of those people who will just accept their partner wholeheartedly, and no matter what,